So what I did was I checked on the 4th and 5th axis here, the Amalgam 4th and 5th axis table. I'm checking for any shorts, and basically the only one that is grounded on all these connectors, which means there's no ground faults, would be the S, right where my thumb is. The S connector. Right there. That one. And it coincides with this one as well. They match. They're symmetrical, identical in the tone. Okay, so this one, S, is connected to ground, as well as this one, identically. So that's a good sign. So those two connectors check out. I'm proceeding to check for any ground faults due to the nature of this mess right here. It looks to me, and the only way I can really get in there is with this video. It looks pretty good. So really, that's probably the best way I can. When it needs a little borescope tool, check this. I really hesitate to apply power until I know for certain that we're in the clear and there's no damage there, as well as back here. Now, these indicators were all silent. They were not illuminated red at all. So these are your error alarm indicators on the actual drive circuit boards, and I don't recall any of those being lit up, which is very good news. I've got 5 of those, 2 in this panel and 3 back there. So again, if I actually did have an overheated wire or a shorted out ground fault condition, that would have illuminated. Now, the other area of concern is this bundle right here. I'm going to try to see if I can get this to inspect it. Hard to get to. Doesn't look too good. I think I'll go ahead and pull that apart and apply rubber tape. And that E-stop needs to be released right there. Okay, so proceeding onwards methodically, meticulous attention to detail for any potential ground faults. We gotta prevent that, otherwise we'll let the smoke out of some circuit board or circuit component. We do not want to do that. Alright, so I will go ahead and do all of that work to make sure nothing gets damaged on the next startup. With everything hooked up on the 4th and 5th axis, the Amalgam 4th and 5th axis table needs to be hooked up correctly without any ground faults, thereby safeguarding any potential circuit burnouts or element burnouts. That's it for now.